Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to review this product right here. It's a portable jump starter from JF.EGWO, and it's not only a jump starter for cars, but it can also charge portable items like laptops, iPads, and iPhones, and it has a very high capacity. It charges through a wall outlet with a USB charger, and they recommend to keep this charged about once every 3 months if possible. So this is the battery pack portable carrying case. It has a pocket here with extra attachments. Looks like this is a cigarette lighter attachment that attaches to this brick here. The portable unit itself is pretty lightweight, pretty portable, not too big. You could definitely put this in your glove compartment or the trunk, which is very convenient. There's a power button up top. When you press it, it'll tell you your battery percentage and the readiness if you're ready to jump start your car. It's a 4,000 amp capacity, which is a lot. You can also push this and it gives you a flashlight right over here. So look around as needed. Also has a strobe light when you click it again. Fast and slow. Right here is the attachment for the jump starter cable, which is in the back here. On the opposite side, you have the DC 12 volt line, USB-C output and input, along with USB outlets, so you can charge things, and that's what they look like. I'll show you how to theoretically jump start your car without actually jump starting it, because my car doesn't need a jump start right now. So you want to open this tab and then go ahead and plug in the big attachment here. Take your two clamps and match the colors. So red over here. When you have the clamps connected, you're going to hear a clicking sound. This clicking sound happens every 5 seconds. When you hear the clicking sound, that means it's ready to start. All you have to do is start the car. Very simple and easy to use. If you're still unable to jump start the car, you can hold down this boost button for 3 seconds as you start the car, and hopefully that'll give you enough power to turn the engine over. This boost button is going to give a nice surge of power, but you don't want to hold it for longer than 3 seconds. Make sure that the red and the black cables match to the battery. If you have them on backwards, you can do some real damage. I love how portable it is. The bag is very lightweight. It's got a good handle over here. So definitely recommend you get one of these for your car, or multiple for both cars if you have two. It's really going to be a lifesaver if you really have to jump start your car, and it has a lot of features that allow you to charge anywhere you are in the world. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good afternoon.